Check out this clip. Jerry had problems with backing up with his trailer while his wife lost patience.
Just back up! Jerry, stop going forward! Big turn. It has to turn. There's no other way to be. All right, get me out of this trip. I'm not putting up with it. I can't not. No! You're not doing it right. Stop! Oh, Jesus! Jerry, you're just going back and forth! Can't you see what you're doing? You're not! Alright, you're not doing it right. Zoe! You fucking moron! Jesus, stop! Stop! I'm Jerry, and that's like unbelievable. That is the worst thing I have ever seen you do. Never seen you be so stupid. Give me this call. Get me out of here.
It's that new trailer.
This guy was driving home when he came across a pickup truck driver who started brake checking him for no reason. He said that he did nothing to provoke him. Check out what happened.
God damn it! Ah! Fuck you! Pull over! Pull over! What's with the brake check? You're on camera! You're on camera!
When I can't see the fucking windshield wipers, you
You're on camera!
speed limit is
Don't
45 and
don't brake
35.
check me, prick!
Good.
Don't brake check me! You're on camera!
Good.
This is the worst way to pull over for a cop. Check out this accident. Main cause was unsafe lane change by driver in a car. This dashcam recorded funny situation on road. Dog chasing a chicken.
There's a dog chasing a chicken.
Oh, mate.
Hey. Hello.
See your dog? I don't know. No, it's not. Oh, okay. Hey, buddy.
Did he say that was his chicken?
No, it is chicken, yeah. Where's the
Where did
chicken?
chicken go?
Oh,
What? What?
That's alright, he's got it. Maybe. Did he see it?
Oh yeah.
The chicken's like, no!
Either if I leave my glasses on too long or leave them off too long, it starts hurting the muscles that hold the focus, and then it just blurs my vision more.
Wow, I just saw a terrible accent. Hold on, it's on my camera too. Let me call something.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
But yeah, alright, so like, the fuck, is this guy eating the light? Yeah, he's gonna eat the light. What the fuck is wrong with people today? Why he did that? Yo, people drive the way they want. This motherfucker just ran the light. Straight up, went straight on the red light.
Racing on public street ends up horribly wrong.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
You stupid! You fuck! Oh my gosh.
Driver causes huge mess on the intersection after running a red light and hitting 3 vehicles.
Violate my rights here today, sir, and I'll be pointing a plate on you.
You stupid!
With local news and content you won't find anywhere else. I'm Al Cannon Town.
You can go around me.
Of the one-story wing at the North Stonington Education Center. Jim O'Reilly.
All this without any direct cost to local taxpayers. Residents approved the measure by voice vote this week.
Serious. I knew that was gonna happen. I saw it. They were not slowing down.
Speeding driver almost rear-ends car in front.
Okay. Oh! See that?
Maybe because I didn't have instructions? Look at this ass. Come on! Fool.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.